A very good morning and Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, my fellow friends, and for those who are seeing this video. I am Nurimshah from DDT1A. So today I am going to show you guys on how to do a programming about finding a circumference of a circle by using C++ programming. So first of all you have to do is download DEV-C++, as you can see here, right up here. So yeah, after you've downloaded it, I'm going to show you guys on how to code. So first of all, I'm writing here, you have to, after you have downloaded the file, you have downloaded the app, DEV-C++, all you need to do is press File, New, and you have to go to New Source or New File, Source File or Project. So you have your own coding right there. So for mine, let me teach you guys on how to write finding a circumference of a circle coding. So for this first line, I'm writing here / finding circumference of a circle as for my reference. And for this second line, I leave it blank because I wanted some space and for it to be more systematic. So next, for the third line, I'm writing here #include for me to make sure the processor has include this file in the preprocessor. And next, I'm writing here IO stream. For IO stream is a header for input-output stream, so it included inside cout and cin. For the fourth line, I'm writing here using namespace std, and I'm ending the line with semicolon symbol because semicolon is a basic symbol for you to end a coding line. And then using namespace std is a simple language, it's a standard language for us to understand coding. And next, for the fifth line, I'm writing here integer main and with a bracket. And then for main is a small program unit. So I'm using integer as my programming unit. And then for the sixth line is a braces, is a curly braces for the beginning of the coding. And the seventh line, I'm writing here cout because I wanted an input for my program, which is hello, welcome to your circumference of a circle calculator. And yes, I'm ending it with semicolon. For your information, you have to use semicolon for all of your coding, for each line of it. Okay, and then for the eighth line, I'm writing here float radius, circumference because I wanted a data type of float for radius and circumference. For your information, I'm using float because I wanted an exact value like 0.00, 0 point something like that. Next, for the ninth line, I'm writing here constant float pi equals to 3.142. And yes, I'm ending it with a semicolon. As I said, you have to put it in each line of your coding. And I wanted a constant value of pi, so I'm writing here constant float. Next, for the 10th line, cout. And I'm writing here, as you can see, there is /n because I wanted a new line for it. Enter the value of radius. So cout, I wanted an output which is enter the value of radius. And next, I need to tell you guys the less than symbol right here beside the cout is a declaration for your output. Next, for the 11th line, cin and greater than symbol with a radius because I want for cin you have to use greater than symbol because you wanted the person is going to use your coding, they need to input the number of the radius. Next, for the 12th line is the formula for the circumference, which is 2 times pi times radius. 2 is a constant value. Pi is the constant value also, as I stated up there in the line 9, 3.142. And the radius you have to input by your own self. And then for the 13th line, cout, circumference of a circle is, and then I'm taking back, I'm putting a greater than symbol for me to declare the output of a circumference by using the formula stated in line 12. Next, for the line 14, cout once again, and then I'm putting here /n because I wanted a new line for it. And yes, my name by Nurim. And for the 15th line, you have to write there written 0 because I wanted to make sure that this coding went on successfully and perfectly and intended what it needs to do. And for the 16th line, the last part, I'm ending it with ending curly braces because it's the end for the coding. Next, after you've write the whole coding, you have to save your coding, which is go to File, Save, press Save As, and you can save your coding based on what you wanted and rename your file. And I save my coding as PSPD Nurim. Next, after you've saved your file, you have to compile your file. Here for compilation, you have to compile your file because you wanted to see if there is any errors or warning, and if there is, so you have to correct your errors where it is, and then you have to compile the file. You have to compile the coding once again to see if there is any more errors. And for mine, there is 0 errors and 0 warning. So you can close the compile. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys on how to run the file. So here we go. I'm pressing the run. So as you can see here, it comes out the output which is hello, welcome to your circumference of a circle calculator. Enter the value of radius. So I'm going to enter my value of radius, which is 34.35. And I'm going to press enter. So when I press enter, as you can see, there is an output of my circumference of a circle is, and the output. And then it's gonna comes out down there by Nurim. So you can press any key for you to continue. Hope you guys to try it at home. Bye. Thank you.